Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Martin is my name, and I decided this week I'm gonna be talking career and business and money on my YouTube channel. Usually I make lifestyle videos, hauls, what's in my bag videos, ASMRs and things of the kind. But this week I'm actually gonna talk about career. I was going to say fashion. I'm gonna talk about career, money, and business. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I came up with my business name. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how you can actually come up with your own cool, unique business name. Let's get into the video. Choosing your business name, I actually have some notes right here down written for you that actually follow to get my business name. And probably me asking, what's your business? My business is actually Matson Skincare. I have a skincare line where I make handmade soap organically, yes, from shea butter and other ingredients like lavender, and it's actually sold worldwide and made from here in Uganda. So you could actually check the description down below for a link on how to actually support it, follow it, like, comment, and actually share its content. Now, how I come up with the name Matson and how you guys could actually come up with better amazing names for your businesses as teenagers, or actually as adults just growing their businesses, because many people are actually growing their businesses during this pandemic, as many people have been laid off their work. Now, one thing is, try something you love. I mean, when you're coming up with the name of a business, this is something you're actually gonna have. It's gonna be something like your baby, so just like your small baby that you're gonna bear, a name is actually very important, as it's gonna be with it for a long time. So try something you love. First, shortlist a name of all the things that actually make you excited when you talk about that topic. Let's say if you're going to make like a company, or maybe like a shop or a store that sells shoes, first list everything you love about shoes. Like, is it the color, is it the stripes, is it the height, is it the what? First list everything you love and actually highlight those amazing things you love. That could actually be a good name for your brand. Another thing you could actually use is try using your name. I mean, using your name is very amazing. You've seen celebrities actually gain from this, as in, if the brand actually grows and your name is on it, that means not only your store, your brand is growing, even you as a person, you're growing, which means you actually get a chance to actually endorse other products to come your way. So if I use something like, let's use an example of, like, let's say Kylie Jenner, she'll like put her name on all her products, like Kylie Skin, Kylie Cosmetics, Kim Kardashian, the same. Like, all the celebrities are actually taking this thing. So if you know your name has a good ring, okay, everybody's name has a good ring, but if you know you actually want to grow your brand and also yourself as a whole, using your name as a name for your brand, for your store, for your business could actually be a very good idea. So you guys should actually try that. First step was getting something you actually love. Another step is actually try using your name. Now the third step is keep it small and memorable. Now I know we get like ideas. You could get like a long scientific name or a long something name from an ancient Greek god or something, a mountain or something like that. Now guys, it's easy for us to remember these small things. You're like, hey, where did you buy that store? And I mean, where did you buy that watch? And they're like, hey, that's a Matson watch. You know, like, it's so simple, it's so small, it's like you're not going to forget it easily. You know what I'm saying? So when coming up with the name of your business, try keeping it to like two words. If it comes to like 4 words, no, like, that's too long, cut it down. Or else keep it like 2 words or 3 words. You know what I mean? 3 words must be the maximum, and 3 words must be when it's actually so nice, so good, and so cute. So usually it's supposed to be like 2 words. Keep it 2 words, keep it fresh, keep it small, and keep it memorable. Now another point you guys could actually use is this name must actually represent your brand. Now, why are you going to give let's say a makeup line a name that could actually go for like a slaughterhouse? You know what I mean? Like, make sure everything is connected. Like, if you're speaking about like makeup, make sure like the name comes maybe like something like lips, or like, let's say eyes, or let's say like face, or something like that. You know, make sure the name is, when someone hears the name, they're like, oh, maybe these people do this. Like, they actually get what your business does. In my case, my business is called Matson Skincare, and when someone hears Matson Skincare, they're like, oh, skincare products. And then, like, what skincare products do they do? What skincare products do they make? What skincare products do they market? You know what I mean? And then when they come to my page, they're like, oh, handmade soap. You know what I mean? So make sure the name is actually coordinated with what your brand represents. Another way how to choose a name for your business, and this is actually like the coolest one, and the one I actually followed, is try combining the names of two things you love. Let's say you love samosas, and let's say you like sandwiches. Like, try try, I don't know how to even combine that. Just try to combine two names of something you love. Now, me, Matson was a combination of Martin and Solomon, where my brother was still called Solomon, but his name is Vianney now. So yeah, I combined Martin and Solomon and came up with Matson, and that's it. So you guys should actually combine two things you actually love to actually make a name for your business. So those are my tips on how I came up with a name, on how you can come up with the name of your business. If you have any more that I've actually missed out, please drop them in the description down below, in the comments down below. I'm gonna be putting more tips on how you can actually grow your businesses for free online in the description down below. I love you guys so much. I usually make lifestyle videos. You could actually subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. I love you guys so much. Stay safe.